It's building wealth. You can build wealth through real estate, and if you partner with the right agent and the right strategist to do that, you're definitely going to be successful. I got my license in 2013 when I had just moved here from New York. I flipped the first home that I purchased here in the Valley and knew that I really loved doing it. I quickly started selling a lot of real estate. I believe I closed about 25 transactions in my first year, and I've just continued to grow the Elite Home team ever since then. I started working with a builder in 2018 and working on designing their interiors and creating beautiful luxury homes with them, and that has just moved into what I do every day, where I'm building a spec home now and flipping different homes in the Valley. Arizona has a lot of newer homes compared to the rest of the country. While we do have some homes that were built in the 50s, we also have a lot of homes that were built around the 70s. Coming into 1990, early 2000s is when we really started to see a lot of those HOA communities. When you can get into either an older home that you are able to kind of expand and open up the floor plan, there's a ton of value in that. One of the biggest mistakes that homeowners make is not knowing what their 3 home values are. One would be, what is your as-is cash offer value that an investor is going to give to you? The second thing is, what is their home value if they were to clean it really nice? Their baseboards are clean and the house feels, you can make your home feel like a move-in ready home, even though it might not be the most updated home on the block. And then there's the third value, which is your renovation home, your maximum top dollar value that you can sell for. I guess the number one thing that I've learned is every home does have potential. Make sure that when you do make updates to your home, you're doing them in the proper price range and selecting the proper finishes. A lot of agents really don't spend the time up front to be able to maximize their client's equity. Most of my clients are really happy to have that guidance. I give them a long list of things to do, not trying to overwhelm them, but really just trying to make sure that we get the best results whenever we sell.